Bitcoin has seen this insane rejection from this level of resistance, and right now Bitcoin has taken a massive hit and is dumping towards the downside. But do not get fooled by this Bitcoin dump. I am going to be telling you exactly what has happened, why Bitcoin has been crashing towards the downside, and why you should not be getting fooled right now. So guys, can we once again push up the likes back above the 100 likes? That will be absolutely amazing. And as always, let's have a look into what's that short term. And yes, in that short term, Bitcoin has been perfectly getting rejected by this level of resistance over here. On top of that, even on this level of resistance. And like I told you yesterday, well, this is going to be a massive level for Bitcoin. We are definitely not going to be breaking through this level very easily. And right after we tested this level of resistance, we actually got this news coming out. And well, the US government has basically just been, sending some Bitcoin to different wallets. Well, there's no clear signs that they are about to sell off their Bitcoin, but definitely they are sending their Bitcoin right now, which has gotten the market, quite a bit worried, of course, because these are very large transactions. And at the same time, well, Bitcoin was reaching a major level of resistance. So definitely it was to be expected to be seeing a little bit of a short-term cool-off. But do not be worried right now, because if we're going to be having a deeper look into this transaction over here, well, RKM has said, we believe this represents a 10,000 Bitcoin deposit to an institutional custodian. So definitely, in my opinion, that is more kind of a bullish thing for the market, because they are going to be looking to hold their Bitcoin for that longer term. So that is already going to be one big reason why we should not be getting fooled by this Bitcoin dump over here. This news that we got yesterday, in my opinion, is actually more kind of a rather bullish thing for the market. So anyways, yes, in that short term, Bitcoin is already kind of bouncing back towards the upside. We are sitting at a major level of support over here from maybe a new pattern being created, some kind of a megaphone broadening wedge pattern. But in my opinion, I would not put all too much relevance on this pattern over here. But what is going to be very important is this level of support for Bitcoin. Bitcoin is right now sitting at a major level of support. In my opinion, also, if you are going to be having a look into this time frame, well, right here as well, we are sitting at a major level of support right now. So definitely, I do expect this to hold. I do expect that we are going to be seeing a bounce from this level. That is also going to be the reason why I'm saying do not get fooled by this Bitcoin dump right now. This is just going to be a trap, in my opinion, and I'm not going to be closing out all my Bitcoin trade anytime soon. And even if we are going to be having a look into our Bitcoin funding rates, well, we can clearly be seeing that the majority of the market is right now shorting. So definitely, I am not going to be getting fooled by this Bitcoin dump. This is just going to be a big Bitcoin trap. I'm not going to be worried at all at this current moment. Yes, Bitcoin is getting its first rejection from this level over here, but I do think that anytime soon, the more times we are going to be knocking on this door over here, well, eventually we are going to be breaking through it. Now, actually, what we can be seeing is that we've gotten our first little fake out outside of this, bull flag pattern. Of course, we needed to be seeing this confirmation of a candle close above this level of resistance. Now, we did not yet do that. So got a little bit of a fake out, just like we did over here. But in my opinion, eventually it is just going to be a matter of time until we are going to be breaking above. And whenever we are going to be breaking above that level, well, definitely we are going to be seeing some explosive moves. Anyways, this is going to be the most important level for Bitcoin. Either way, eventually to be breaking above. Whenever Bitcoin is going to be breaking above that 71.6k level, taking out these previous highs over here, well, then inevitably we are going to be running for new all-time highs. So I think, in my opinion, this level over here and also this level over here is going to be the most important level to be looking at. Anyways, just like I've said, a break above it is just going to be imminent. If you are going to be having a look into what's the Bitcoin funding rates, they are extremely low. At the same time, we got this nonsense news which has caused Bitcoin to dump back towards the downside. At the same time, Bitcoin history is exactly repeating, and Bitcoin is trading inside of this major uptrend, and we are just printing hitting a new higher low in my opinion. So yeah, it is still just looking very good. A huge breakout is going to be inevitable. Whenever Bitcoin is going to be breaking above this level over here, well, definitely we are going to be seeing some huge fireworks. Anyways, guys, for the stock market, well, the stock market is also looking to be bouncing from this level over here. So whenever this stock market is going to be bouncing towards the upside, I think that Bitcoin is going to be bouncing even bigger towards the upside. So that is going to be very important to be having a look at. Anyways, guys, if you are going to be getting interested in trading yourself as well, make sure to check out that link down below, because with that link down below over on Bybit, you can right now be claiming this $500 trade. So click on that link down below, sign up a new account. If you already have an account, you can just sign up a new account using a different form of identity to verify your KYC, deposit at least $100, and there you go. You can be claiming this free $500 trade. So definitely make sure to be checking that out. Anyways, guys, in that larger time frame, well, Bitcoin is going to be headed for a massive move. Like you can be seeing in this screenshot, well, Bitcoin volatility is right now sitting at all-time lows, and a huge move is going to be next. Now, usually these moves are towards the upside. I do think that with the current market, it is looking so bullish. Well, this move will also be towards the upside, but yeah, who knows, right? But yeah, anyways, very likely it will be towards the upside. Anyways, on that monthly time frame, we are just seeing a beautiful consolidation over here. Now, whenever we are going to be printing new highs, I think Bitcoin is about to go absolutely parabolic, just like we have been seeing in the past happening, right? Whenever we have been breaking off these previous highs, Bitcoin has been going parabolic. So yeah, anyways, right now, in my opinion, it's not going to be the time to be getting fooled. Anyways, guys, with that being said, make sure to be following me over on Twitter to stay up to date about every single market development. And guys, I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.